How to clean up Google Photos storage. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know the ways to clean up Google Photos storage. In order to clean up Google Photos storage, you need to follow the simple steps. So what you need to do is go ahead and open up your Google Photos app first thing first, and here you could go ahead and tap on collections. First of all, you go ahead and clear all the photos that's in your bin, and this way you could go ahead and clean up your storage in one way. So this is going to take up a lot of space. So if you delete the bin icon, if you delete the photos that's stored in your bin, then it's going to save a lot of storage. So you just go ahead and select it just like this, and if you're sure about it, click on delete, and this way you've successfully done it. So next thing, what else you can also do is you could also go ahead and delete unnecessary item from your device itself. You could go ahead and locate one after the another, and that way you could clean up your storage. If you're sure about it, then you could also go ahead and open up your profile from the top right. You can see this option as free up space on this device. Click on free up, and this way you could go ahead and do it or clean up your Google Photo storage. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.